Hi everybody, how you doing? I'm Mark from Get Knighted Paracord, and today we're going to show you how to do the Slingstone Hitch. I've only learnt this one today. I think it's really good and I'm going to use it all the time now. I'll show you why. First of all, you get your keyring and your cord. You bring your cord up through the middle like this and bring the loop down like that. Now, with a cow's hitch, you would normally bring the cords up through the middle like that, but we're not going to do that. Instead, we are going to bring the cords down through the top. There's one, like that, as there's two, like that, and then you cinch it all up like that, and that is your Slingstone hitch. Now, there's a cow's hitch, there's your Slingstone hitch. Put them together, you can see that the Slingstone hitch is a lot squarer and it looks a lot nicer. And the reason why it won't slip is if you flip them over like that, the Slingstone hitch has kind of locked itself in. I'm sure there's a technical term, I'm sure there's a name for this. If you know what it is, leave it in the comments. But yeah, that is the reason why the Slingstone hitch will not slip. And it looks nicer, it looks kind of tidier as well. So yeah, there you go. That is your Slingstone hitch. As always, YouTube would like you to watch this video here. I would like you to watch that playlist up there. Keep yourself safe, everyone. Wash your hands, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.